Namaste. Welcome to Pura's Kitchen. Today I have brought a very interesting and amazing recipe that is rice nest with paneer eggs made up of leftover rice in your pantry. The first method is deep fry, so let's start. Take 1 cup of rice and mash them roughly. Add 3 potatoes boiled and mashed, 1 by 4 cup grated carrot, 1 by 4 cup finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 1 green chili chopped, 3 tablespoons of roasted besan or gram flour. We have rice, we have besan, so we don't need to use any cornflour or maida for the binding of ingredients. And now we'll add fresh chopped coriander and we'll mix all our ingredients to make a smooth dough. Now we'll add the spices: half tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, little bit of dry mango powder or amchur powder, and 1 by 4 teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix all spices very well with the rest of the ingredients and make a smooth dough in the end. And now take a portion of dough and make a ball like this. Using your fingers, press gently in the center to create a nest-like structure. Apply vermicelli on all sides of nest. A batch of nest is ready and now we'll refrigerate them for 30 minutes. For paneer eggs, take half cup of grated paneer, salt as per taste and 2 pinch of black pepper powder and mix them well. Take a portion of paneer and make small egg-like structure. After 30 minutes is the time to cook nest. Once the oil is hot, put nest in the oil for deep frying. Once they are cooked golden brown from both sides, strain them out in a plate. Let's do the final presentation now. In a nest, apply mint chutney. Keep some fresh coriander leaves in it. And place 2 to 3 eggs according to nest size and sprinkle some chaat masala on it. It's prepared and good to serve now. Let's move to method 2, that is air fryer. Spray some oil in the air fryer tray and keep the nest-like structures in it. And again spray them with some oil and put the tray back into the air fryer and set the timer 22 minutes and temperature 360 F. After 22 minutes, if required, again set the timer for 5 minutes and let them bake properly. And the air fryer batch of Nest is ready. This is my mother's recipe, so I'm sharing it specially on Mother's Day. Thank you so much everyone for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Puru's Kitchen for such amazing recipes. Thank you for your love and support. Eat good and stay healthy.